What's the meaning of broadcasting? Broadcasting. Broadcasting.
Broadcasting. Broadcasting. Broadcasting refers to the distribution of information, such as news, entertainment, or educational content, through various media channels to a widespread audience. The term broadcasting originated from the idea of casting a net out widely to reach as many people as possible, much like traditional fishing methods. Today, broadcasting has evolved to include various mediums, including television, radio, podcasts, and social media platforms, among others. Broadcasting allows information to be disseminated to a mass audience simultaneously, making it a valuable tool for reaching large numbers of people quickly and efficiently.